Your Hive Hub is the heart of your smart home, and the Hive Hub 360 is our most advanced hub yet. As well as connecting your Hive devices, it can also detect important sounds like your smoke alarm or a window breaking and sends a recording to your smartphone of what it hears when you're not home. You can listen to the recording in the Hive app, then decide if you need to get someone to look in or not worry. It's peace of mind for you. It's also really easy to set up. The first step is to connect your Hive Hub 360 to the Hive app. Plug it in, wait for the lights to turn blue, then open your Hive app on your phone. Click on Hive Hub 360 and follow the instructions. Your Hive app will connect to your hub via Bluetooth, so make sure Bluetooth on your phone is turned on. The next step is to connect your hub to the internet. When asked, choose your Wi-Fi network and enter your password. And wait for the 2 ticks. The last step is to make sure your hub is picking up the sounds of your alarms. To do that, find your smoke or carbon monoxide alarm and test it for 10 seconds. Your hub should pick it up and send you a notification straight away. Finally, when you're at home, if you don't want your hub to detect sounds, you can turn the monitoring off. You'll find a handy tutorial in the Hive app that shows you how. Then enjoy your hub and get on with the things you love, knowing everything's nice and quiet at home.